facts जो है ना हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कहने के लिए फालतू, इसलिए I thought I should actually state it for you clearly, ताकि obvious facts तो भूल ना जाए ना, भूल ना जाए ना, स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ के रखना.
अच्छा, ओके आलतू बाबा, ठीक है.
Yeah.
ओके, ठीक है.
तेरे लिए भी लिखा मैंने,
हाँ,
my
thank you very
co-host.
much. Okay, and this is my co-host. तो मेरा स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ है? मेरे लिए so nothing about me.
I told no, this is my co-host फालतू. मेरा स्क्रिप्ट
मेरे लिए adjectives नहीं चलेंगे आलतू बाबा.
तेरे लिए एडजेक्टिव्स क्या चाहिए बता, तू बोल ना, तो क्या बोल.
Pretty,
Okay, pretty,
hot, adorable, lovable, tantalizing, unbelievably beautiful फालतू रानी.
वेरी गुड. देखा तू इतना एफर्ट लगा, तो मैं क्यों एफर्ट लगाऊं? तू ऐसे में बोलने वाली है अपने बारे में.
नहीं,
जब देखो अपने बारे में बोल रही थी तो
मैं कहाँ बोलती हूँ आलतू
अरे
बाबा?
चलेगा ना, तुझे बात है कि इसलिए फीलिंग अप करा था ताकि I don't have to put so much effort because you are very smart that way. तो
whatever.
क्या हाँ that's the thing, right?
Whatever.
बट ये बच्चन आज का टॉपिक जो है, थीम जो है, आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा या शायद पसंद ना आए. You never know. You know why?
Why?
वैसे भी फालतू नहीं, इस आज का टॉपिक इज वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल.
Really?
Somehow our population, our unfortunate, whatever the what should I say, the जनता जो है, जनता को ये हजम नहीं होता कि हमारी हीरोइनें they can last beyond, they, I don't know, I'm sorry, let me put it this way. They make it seem like there's such a commodity that every heroine comes the expiry date.
ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं आलतू बाबा?
I'm sorry.
Expiry date?
Hello, excuse me.
Expiry date का मतलब क्या है?
Expiry date का मतलब
मजा
है,
आता है क्या?
हाँ?
क्या?
नहीं, expiry date मतलब they don't last beyond a certain.
You mean shelf life?
Shelf life बोलो या screen life बोलो, सबका एक screen life होता है, right?
हाँ.
And somehow our leading ladies have to be between the age of 20 and 30.
हाँ.
Nothing beyond that.
Oh.
Why? Why? My question to people is why? Because आज हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं टिंसलटॉन मॉमीज के बारे में.
हाँ.
एक बार किसी हीरोइन का शादी हो गई, मम्मी बन गई, तो उसको तो सही में निकाल देते हीरोइन की सिचुएशन से लेकर सिस्टर या बहू या मम्मी या मदर इन लॉ ऐसा रोल में डाल देते हैं. Like for instance, Aruna Rani, what a beautiful lady.
Okay.
The moment you actually see her coming in, suddenly they give her all kinds of roles of mother and all.
Wow.
Yeah, कर देते हैं ऐसे, push कर देते हैं, right?
हाँ.
Now, for instance, very rare you have people who actually have maintained, that particular presence of a heroine.
हाँ. Okay.
वैसे तो स्टोरीज बनता नहीं, छोड़ो.
हाँ.
ये भी बात है कि स्टोरीज भी बनती नहीं आजकल, which are centric to women, right?
हाँ.
Why does it have to be all Indian cinema women have to be in the age of 20 or 30? Why? Why?
And why is it that after they have a baby, they are no longer in the movies? Not in main roles, at
Thank
least.
you, Faltu Rani. And I'll tell you one
Why
thing.
is that?
Yeah, there was a time when they used to talk about heroines 16 and like that, 16 to 25 maximum.
Okay.
आजकल उसके बाद तो हीरोइन का कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं रहा यार.
I know.
Why? There's no story beyond after people go after 30. Is it? What is it? Seriously, or 25 after 25.
Oh my God.
No, seriously.
Good point you bring on.
तो आज हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. Tinseltown mommies के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. We're talking about some of the heroines who actually have become mommies, and they're trying to break the norm and getting into leading lady roles.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But only a handful you get, Fatrani.
That's true, actually, Altu Baba. Actually, no. You know what? There are some ladies, like for instance, कुछ ladies तो films मतलब शादी के बाद ही छोड़ देते हैं. A lot of people, like, who just quit acting after getting married.
Yeah. Why? What, did they quit acting, or was it like what happened to Zaira Khan?
What,
Zaira Zubaydi, what's her name? Zaira Wasim. Like, she was forced to come out of it, right? Were they forced to stop acting?
She's not married, though.
You get what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
They totally disenfranchise her and everything and said, no, we're not supposed to do it, blah, blah, blah. The people will be telling her, like, no, don't do it. Like, probably, even our heroines would have gone through the same thing with their family, right? Probably.
Yeah.
There'll be a guy who in their life who actually would have come into their real life as a hero but becomes a real life villain for them.
Lekin Altu Baba, ek cheez hai, it's not only in the movies, even in real life, right? Even in real life, what am I talking about? I'm not talking just in real life, the IRL, as we say, in real life, also Tinseltown actresses Altu is talking about, who did not put their careers on hold after having a baby, who have continued to act and who have continued to be appearing in significant roles and lead roles in the movies, right?
Yeah.
एक तो वैसी वाली actresses हैं ही, उसके अलावा in our day to day life, रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में, IT इंडस्ट्री में, जो भी इंडस्ट्री देखो, generally after having a baby, a woman generally puts her career on hold.
Exactly.
Have you noticed? Most of the time, whether it is, I mean, obviously you need time to recuperate, and you need to, your body needs to recuperate,
Fair
and
enough,
maternity leave.
Yeah, understandable.
But post that also, a lot of women cut back on their time. They cut back on their hours. They sometimes they even quit their jobs.
Yeah.
Why is that the case?
Why should women do it?
Is it because out of their own choice, or is it, even if it is their own choice, is it something that's expected of them? Is a question that, I mean, have you come across that situation? Have you, if you are a woman or you're a man who's listening to this, and what we want to know what your take is in this matter, right? Does somebody's career like get put on hold? Like, after I was watching this series Altu Baba on Netflix. I haven't finished it. I didn't find it so gripping, but I've got to watch the rest of the series, where it's a series, I think, which is it, what's her name, that Alankrita Srivastava, the one who did Lipstick Under My Burqa, right? So she has done the series called Bombay Begums, right?
Very good.
Usme there's in passing there is a dialogue that the husband passes. I mean, he says he's applied for a promotion so that because the wife is conceived, right? She's pregnant. He says, yaar, ye promotion mil jaye, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can just stay home with the kiddo and enjoy your time.
Wow.
Yeah.
He didn't go there.
He did. So it's not that every husband expects it, but it's just what I'm talking about, or every wife expects it. But I'm saying, is that generally the norm? Is that what people think? Is it even there even today? And aapko call karna hai. We would like to have a conversation. Let's get this going. This is the penultimate day of Mahila March, Bandhujan, where we're talking about women and everything you need to know about women. And yes, this is where things get comfortably uncomfortable.
Comfortably uncomfortable, Bandhujan.
Yes.
Like a father, I'll tell you what. There were some heroines of the yesteryears who actually continued further after their marriage also. We should talk about them as well.
Yesteryears?
Yeah, yesteryears ki baat kar rahe hain. When you say yesteryears, 70s, yesteryears, right? Of course, right? Somewhere in those times, right? There were people who actually continued their career even after marriage. Very few people. And ke bare mein baat karenge. How about I play a song?
Okay.
Now, this particular person, and this particular person got married.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But had a successful career even after marriage.
Okay. Got married, had a successful career. Did she have kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is this person? You got to call us, Bandhujan. 408912. आपको इस नंबर पे कॉल करना है 408-912-2479 पे. Again, 408-912-2479. बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है क्या टॉपिक? नहीं है. Interesting है जहाँ पे there is no right or wrong answer, Bandhujan. We're just trying to figure this out together.
हाँ, बस बातें करने के लिए अब लोग बैठे यहाँ पे. आवाज आओ. 408-912-2479. Pam to you, Deepa. Pam to you, even Meenakshi ji. And yes, आज का क्वेश्चन आंसर करने के लिए आपको कॉल करने का नंबर है 408-912-2479. अभी ये हीरोइन कौन है बताइएगा Bandhujan? Who actually had a successful career after marriage, after kids also, and after kids came back as a lead role. Right, Malpani?
Wow.
Was able to carry a few lead roles.
पहले भी कहीं देखा है.
कौन है भाई?
ख्वाब में या रूबरू पर देखा है.
अच्छा.
और हिल मिल जाए मौज उड़ा ले जिंदगी में. तुम हंसी मैं जवां, तुम हंसी मैं जवां, तुम हंसी मैं जवां, तुम हंसी मैं जवां.
आपको पहले भी कहीं देखा है.
I mentioned this particular actress came in from the south, hint आपके लिए, and this particular actress actually, had a string of hits in her name. I don't think she ever dropped down in the thing. At the peak is when she exited from the industry, or at least took a break actually, and had kids. Yeah, what, 1, 2 kids, suppose. I don't know. But anyway, if you can tell me more about it, it would be great. Give us a call 408-912-2479. This is from a movie called Tum Hasi Main Jawan, 1970s की बात है Jen, and this again singers are Mohammad Rafi, Asha Bhosle, Hassan Jaipuri's lyrics and Shankar Jayakishan's music.
प्यार बनकर ख्यालात पर छा गया, प्यार बनकर ख्यालात पर छा गया, अब तो कोई हंसी मुझको जचता नहीं, अपनी मंजिल को मैं खुद ब खुद पा गया।
आपको पहले भी कहीं देखा है, ख्वाब में या रूबरू पर देखा है, आखिर मिल जाए मौज उड़ा ले जिंदगी में। तुम हंसी मैं जवां, तुम हंसी मैं जवां, तुम हंसी मैं जवां, तुम हंसी मैं जवां।
या Jen, आप हंसी मैं जवां, यहाँ पे कॉल करो Jen, and Sama है Suhana right now Jen, and you can actually give us a call here and share with us who this particular actress is we're talking about, right?
Yeah.
इन्होंने तो I've actually ever since she started off, initially when she started off the industry, there was a little bit of she didn't get some roles because she was not supposedly very good looking, and I really think that she's not a very good dancer. I'm sorry, it's my opinion. I'm free to have my opinion. I still think she was not a good dancer, but whatever she got in the industry was total PR work.
Yeah,
but
that's
the
true.
PR worked overdrive after her marriage also. So basically, after marriage, she was able to continue the passion of acting. Her passion for acting, and she also was able to come back after the big period where you have kids and all, right? You have the kids, everything, and you come back.
Correct.
She made a re-entry also.
Correct.
Well, let me put it this way: she never exited the limelight per se.
She kind of did, Altu Baba. She kind of
did, huh?
did. Yes, she did. She did.
Somewhere in 90s she disappeared. 80s, 90s she disappeared actually. Pretty much.
No, 80s she was there. She was
Oh,
there
really?
in the 80s. 90s she kind of disappeared.
And came back again in 2000s without giving too much of a break. Who is this? कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479 बिकॉज जनरली क्या होता है कि इंडस्ट्री में एक बार हीरोइन का शादी हो गया तो everybody interested in that particular heroine goes away.
Yes.
Or at least the people believe that way.
Yeah.
People believe that the producers and all the movie makers believe that एक बार एक heroine का शादी हो गया तो the masses will not accept them as what they thought of.
Right.
So we actually done a particular show some time ago, Banjan Beria Bak, where we talked about this whole thing. We showed you that the average lifespan for a heroine,
Yeah. It's about 8 to 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
A money-making heroine. When I say money-making, I'm talking about somebody who actually is on top level, who's getting good roles and is able to give hits to the production houses, right? The average lifespan is 8 to 10 years, not more.
Right.
And anomalies are there. Like I would call this particular heroine an anomaly. Do you think people will understand who this is? No.
You have to give her. I think they will understand if you give a more easier song, Altu Baba. Which
Why
they can
will I
recognize.
give them an easier song?
Because नहीं तो वो पहचान नहीं पाएंगे ना आलतू. I was trying to talk like that particular heroine, but
Okay,
and I
how
think
about a
that.
song from that particular?
Huh?
Shall I play a song from the very famous movie of hers?
Nah. Are you talking about that song that is like describing her?
Describing her? No.
Then which
The
song?
one she actually is saying that I'm dancing until you ask me to stop.
Ah!
Until I live.
Oh my God! Then everybody will know that song.
Yeah, that song people love, but they don't know who the heroine is.
Aha. Good
But
question.
do they know? Do you guys know? Give us a call 408-912-2479. This is a nice song actually of hers.
Okay,
And
play.
there are many more songs she actually has got. In fact, picturized on her, I doubt it. But let's see. We have a Bandhu waiting. Let's go to them, please.
Hello, Pam Pam ji, कौन है?
Hi, Pam Pam.
हेलो पैम 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 पैम
Deepa.
Pam, 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 pam.
Very good, Deepa. Deepa ji, very good. Very good, Deepa. You actually calling the first hour nowadays. I'm so impressed, yeah, Deepa.
Yes, very impressed.
I'm like totally Deepa is like I'm become a big fan of Deepa right now.
I know.
Wow, Deepa.
मैंने होमवर्क किया और आ गई क्योंकि मुझे आंसर नहीं मालूम था आज तो I went on YouTube.
I love,
and found
really?
songs.
Oh, really? Okay,
Really?
very good. No, that's good. That's good. Being resourceful
Yeah,
is what you
मैं
want.
guess कर रही थी and my guess was 50% right.
Okay, then
I
doesn't
was
matter.
dabbling between two different heroines. बाद में जब मैंने confirm किया
हाँ.
and then Alto Baba said like I don't like her, तो मुझे पता चल गया कौन है वो.
I didn't say I don't like her.
He likes her.
Hello.
He doesn't like her dancing.
Her dancing. I didn't say I don't like her. Please, she's like, you know, grandmother to us. I really appreciate her. Anyway, the point I'm making here is, in her case, who's the person? ये बताओ, who's the person?
Hema Malini.
Hema Malini.
Hema Malini.
I like the way she says it.
Yes.
Yeah, dream girl.
Yeah.
Ek-
Well, you know,
Dream girl.
so she was the person who actually, after marriage, was able to carry forward a career.
Right. Carrier?
हाँ.
Career.
हाँ.
उसका career चालू हुआ था.
हाँ,
Right?
हाँ.
But isn't it interesting now? And what do you think, Deepa? Have you ever thought of this heroines lasting beyond 10 years?
हाँ, usually नहीं होता है. Very rarely, very few ladies. Yeah, like you mentioned.
Yeah, and
that's
even
true.
her, Hema Malini, came in the industry around 70s, is it? When did she come in?
70s.
70s.
Yeah,
70s
70s.
से almost 80s.
Sapno Ka Saudagar was her first hit, right?
No idea, Faltoni.
Yeah, I think Sapno Ka Saudagar.
Do I look like a walking, talking, you know, history book or
1968. 1968 was her break
Because
movie.
even she did not she did not do a full circle of 22 decades. No, she didn't.
She didn't.
Yeah.
I don't know, but let's ask Deepa.
मतलब usually क्या होता है ना आल्तो बाबा,
हाँ.
अगर लड़की बहुत ही young age में अगर if they enter the industry like 15, 16,
Uh-huh.
then they really act in lot of movies and stay in the industry for long, like maybe 15, 16, 17 years.
No, but even that, no, every heroine is supposed to end in 16.
Huh?
Every heroine.
Yeah. In Bollywood and in Indian cinema,
Everybody's-
everybody will say that they entered the industry when they were 16 years old.
Correct.
Or actually, Sridevi went to the extent of saying she was 12 when she acted as a heroine.
I know. That's,
Yeah.
But
Well,
Sridevi is
कुछ
different.
लोग हाँ, yeah.
Sridevi was a baby actress, right? She actually started off in industry as a female, as a child
Yes,
artist.
yes.
Yeah,
Anomaly once again. Anomaly as in child artists don't become successful.
Mm-hmm.
Very rarely they become successful, and I think she's one of those anomalies. Sridevi and Kamal Hassan is one of those anomalies. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where they were child artists and they
Wait,
became
Neetu Kapoor also.
Neetu Kapoor?
Neetu Singh.
Neetu Singh also. There. Neetu Singh. After marriage, she was asked to stop.
She was not. Yeah, she stopped acting. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. देखा?
Yeah.
So-
But within span of like वो उससे तो बहुत कम movies किए हैं.
Uh-huh.
I mean कम time तक थी वो.
Uh-huh.
Even she entered very early, like 15. Yeah, child artist 2-3 किए होंगे. But as a heroine, she started I think 15 or 16.
Yeah, you know, it goes in line with what we've been discussing all month, Faltwani. How
Yeah.
it has been like, you know, for women.
Huh.
And how people actually force it on them, right? To not act or whatever it is. We actually, as people, do you accept a heroine who is somewhere in mid-30s? A story?
Why not?
I'm asking Deepa.
Deepa.
Not
okay.
you.
हाँ
Okay.
story line में ऐसा है तो सूट हो जाएगा ना
Yeah, but
रोल के हिसाब से.
would you watch a movie which has a storyline that way? Would you watch a movie that way?
Yeah, definitely.
Seriously?
Yes. अरे मैं मूवी मैं मुझे you know me right मुझे मैं मूवी में डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करती.
मूवी डिस्क्रिमिनेट करती है लेकिन फिर ये बोलेगी ये फिल्म अच्छा नहीं है मत देखो.
अरे ये दीपा अपन की बंधु है यार. वो ना फटेला मूवी भी जाके देखेगी. थकेला मूवी भी देखेगी.
अरे
आपको मैं
हमने
तेरा
तलंक देखा इतनी शिद्दत से.
हाँ, exactly.
Exactly.
Hey, but you know, I'll tell you one thing. I really think that there's the dearth for stories, and the more they try to make the stories where the hero heroine are supposedly the young 16, 17, 20 age, no, I think I get bored of the movies. Right? I think they should actually make it more mature. The story should be more mature, more, you know, it should be like, you know,
नहीं
reflective.
सभी टाइप के रोल्स. Yeah, right. In that way, I think Hema Malini did quite nice. मतलब I think when she acted in Satte Pe Satta, तब वो I think it came pretty late in her career. I think I don't know. I'm not
Satyam
sure.
Sita was 78, is it? Or 80s?
It was in the 80s,
Yeah,
right?
80s, yeah.
80s, yeah. And
तो मुझे वो भी
Naseeb,
अच्छा लगा कि वो casting of the movie की मतलब ऐसे ही आजकल के मूवी में लेते हैं ना 50 ईयर ओल्ड के लिए 20 ईयर ओल्ड हीरोइन. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं लिया गया वो मूवी में. लाइक शी रियली लुक्ड भाभी टू ऑल दोस 7 पीपल.
Yeah.
मतलब अमिताभ बच्चन के साथ उसकी अच्छी जोड़ी है उसमें. वो दैट मूवी इज वेरी नाइस.
Well, Satya Sata again, your early 80s, 82 में आया
Well,
था वो.
she had a string of those, right? She had Naseeb, Satya Pe Satta. There was like a lot of movies that she
She was
did.
still there.
Razia, Sultana, something like that.
And all
She
this
did
was
all
after
the-
she was married, by the way.
Yeah, after she was married and after she had babies.
Correct.
So the question.
Babies, yeah.
So.
Okay.
So today, Deepa, we're talking about Tinseltown mommies.
Yeah.
यानी कि
Okay.
or we're talking about generally how a woman's life. I mean, does becoming a mommy change your entire world? Yes, yes. I 100% will say that it changes your world. But does it change your world to the extent that you have to put your career on hold? Why do people do that? Is that something that is that what they need to do? We're having a conversation.
they don't put on hold. मतलब अगर they were made to put on hold, that's wrong. लेकिन वो खुद की मर्जी से अभी मैंने ये enjoy किया. I would enjoy motherhood for some extent.
That
जैसे
decision,
माधुरी ने
yeah.
बोला बहुत जगह, like you know, I am very happy to have this kind of domestic life. I was missing that. So limelight से away वो जानबूझ के थी. तो that part of life they wanted to enjoy, and then if they want to come back, they will come back, and she did the same thing.
Yeah,
And
but again,
same
when they
with I
do
think
come
Sridevi.
back, somehow the masses don't have the same love for them.
Ah?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है बाबा. इतनी सारी पॉपुलेशन है. बाकी लोगों को भी चांस चाहिए.
अरे वाह.
अरे दीपा,
वाह,
तूने
दीपा.
वहीं पे she pulled the rug from underneath your feet.
I know.
नहीं
देखा?
नहीं.
हाँ.
अरे ये सब मैटर करता है ना. So you move on. That you are in a different phase of life, and new people आएंगे. उनका टाइम आएगा.
Well, in
जैसे
a way-
आपका टाइम आएगा, सबका टाइम आएगा.
In a way, I kind of understand what Deepa is coming from also, because you know that's true, right? That suddenly you have to be. See, cinema is about storytelling, right?
Right.
If you don't have good stories,
Huh.
right? What can they do?
Yeah.
They need to be more creative with stories. We need to ask for the kind of stories which actually have are reflecting those kind of roles, right?
Okay.
अभी पूछते नहीं. Like for instance, अभी तो माधुरी दीक्षित comeback film कौन सा था बताइए?
आजा नचले.
हाँ, उसमें was it age appropriate what she did?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. And in fact, he talks
was.
about, right? He talks about the fact that she's old and that right now her charms don't work and all that nonsense. Oh, no. That's, sorry,
You're
that
the
is, I'm
wrong-
thinking about the wrong movie.
You're
Sorry.
thinking a wrong movie,
Yeah,
buddy.
In Aja Nachle, I don't know. I haven't seen Aja Nachle, the movie itself.
Yeah.
What is the role that she plays in that?
She is a dance teacher actually.
Yeah, but she's
डांस
not like
टीचर
a.
जो गांव में लड़कियों को मतलब she has a failed marriage and she comes back to her roots to reignite the passion for dance and other stuff.
Uh-huh.
So she's not that young chulbuli kind of a kind. She's actually is an actual
Aparna
woman.
Sen
Yeah.
is the younger.
Correct.
उसको
Correct.
उसकी लव स्टोरी को ये हेल्प करती है दीदी की तरह.
I haven't seen the movie, so Meenakshi, don't comment about it. I haven't seen many movies, that's true. But I know about this movie for sure. And I think this particular movie, I think I would definitely watch it. You know why?
Why?
The story is very interesting. See, that's what I'm telling you, right? It doesn't have to be that the heroine have to be in the particular, 25, 16, 25 age range. No. We want heroines who are actually reflective of what is in the society, right?
Right, and I think that it really doesn't matter कि generally अगर एक hero का बच्चा हो रहा है, nobody is asking, when are you going to make your comeback?
Exactly.
There was a series that I was watching when
That
somebody
is that
asked,
part.
are you planning to come back into the movies? So I think who was it? I think it was Kareena Kapoor or somebody who said that, what do you mean? We're not going away anywhere. Oh, it was Malaika Arora Khan. She said, why do you assume that we're going away?
Why do you think she was there anywhere?
She wasn't there. That's true.
Where was she the first?
मलाइका कहीं है
What
भी
a
नहीं, वो
question was
जाएगी
that?
कहाँ आएगी कहाँ.
नहीं exactly वो कहाँ से अरे first of all कब आई वो?
I don't know. Maybe it was Kareena Kapoor. I'm not sure. So her thing was, why do
No, I
we...
think it was Kareena. I think it
Yeah,
was
it was
Kareena.
Kareena. So she said, why is it that automatically you assume that, do you ask a lady who's going on maternity leave at work whether she's going to be back at work?
Well, yeah. Correct.
Why do you?
Well, yeah, not everybody is successful. Unfortunately, वैसे करिश्मा ने comeback किया.
Huh.
What was that? Ishqiya something? No, not Ishqiya. Something. So super flop हो गई बेचारी की.
Yeah, we'll
Even
talk
though
about.
she looks really
Huh?
good, you know.
Yes. So I'll tell you what. Now we're gonna play.
Oh, Dangerous Ishq.
What is that?
That was
Dangerous.
Dangerous Ishq. I remember that.
Wasn't that a Ghatia film actually?
Ghatia film it was. It was
Yeah.
Ghatia to Ghatia.
Ah.
Yeah, poor thing. But then I
Yeah.
think she made a conscious decision not to work.
Uh-huh.
You know, right? You know why she made a conscious decision not
Because
to
she
work?
wanted alimony.
Yeah, because of the alimony. No, seriously. Seriously, because
Really?
he was claiming alimony from her.
That's true. Yeah.
He was claiming money from her, and she wanted to show that she's not making any money.
Oh, wow.
So she stopped working. She said, I'm not going to work, I'm not going to charge for anything.
That's true.
Yeah.
And then she went in television, right?
I don't know what she's doing.
She made a few television movies, like, you know, Karishma Kapoor ki baat kar rahe hum log.
Yeah.
And of course, Bachchan, Deepa, thank you so much, Deepa. In fact, wonderful. You actually brought on many heroines you talked about. And yes, we're talking about Tinseltown mommies today. And Hema Malini, we're starting off because Hema Malini gave birth to a heroine also for us, who is
Isha Deol and Ahana Deol.
Ahana Deol. But Ahana Deol did not actually do any movies, did she?
No, she got into dance, I think. She's a dancer. But even Isha Deol is supposedly a dancer. Very.
Even her mom is supposedly a dancer. Supposedly is why I say this, because I don't endorse anybody until I really
That
think
is,
they can dance.
that
Sorry.
is so true.
Yeah,
That is
so
so
they don't
true.
have Alto by endorsement anyways. But Deepa has my endorsement though. Deepa is a wonderful dancer.
Yeah, she is. She totally is.
Yeah, Deepa, good, yeah, Deepa.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. So Deepa, very good. So I'm gonna play a nice song for you right now. Which would you prefer?
Do you want a Hema Malini song?
हेमा मालिनी का
Huh? What do you think?
वैसे अभी होली भी हो गया तो शोले का होली गीत का डाल दो प्लीज.
होली के दिन मिलने खिलने जाना.
All the-
God.
oh my God,
Leave
she's
off
the-
all of Hema Malini's.
बाबा कोई हसीना उसी मूवी का दूसरा गाना मैं बोल रही हूँ बस.
Why?
नहीं यार, there's so many other beautiful songs. हवा के साथ साथ है.
डाल दो ये.
सारेगामापा.
That's a sad song though.
Which one?
सावन बादल.
नहीं,
हाँ,
नहीं.
उल्टा देखो या तो ऐसा फिल्म या ऐसा गाना क्या दीपा come on दीपा one more song
अभी दीपा
दिलबर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे.
वो मेल सोलो हो गया.
हाँ exactly we want where see that's what happens right
अभी ना वो
तो कब तक मुझे तड़पाओगे.
अरे ऐसी बात नहीं यार सोचो यार we don't want it to be something like male solo, it has to be something where she's actually you know
अच्छा
singing.
फिर ड्रीम गर्ल गाना. ड्रीम गर्ल
ड्रीम गर्ल भी वो धर्मेंद्र गाता है. She doesn't have any lip sync in that.
Deepa, think
Deepa.
Abhinetri. There's a beautiful song in the movie Abhinetri. Think.
अच्छा अगर ऑलरेडी तुम लोगों ने सोच लिया तो वो डाल दो. नो
नहीं हेलो no oh my god we are asking you an option.
नहीं. या तुम
मुझे
बोलो
पता
ना.
नहीं है अभिनेत्री का गाना.
सारे गा
मुझे सच्ची में पता नहीं है. ये एक और गाना है वो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. दैट्स दिस वन. दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग. आप डालो ज्वेल थीफ का गाना है ना. वादा तो निभाया
Very good Deepa, you like
समझ गया मैं.
Very
दैट्स अ
good.
ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग.
दीपा मैं भी समझ गया तो आपके लिए मैं स्पेशल गाना लगाने वाला हूँ ठीक है.
Just for you.
Just for you will love the song for sure.
You like the song, definitely.
ठीक है. थैंक यू.
Thank you Deepa.
Thanks. Deepa's like वहाँ से उठ के आ जाएगी माउंटेन हाउस से. तुम लोग ना मारूंगी मैं तेरे को क्योंकि अब उनसे पूछते हो what song do you want and you'll finally play what you want to play.
Hey, why? I gave an option for her to say, and she liked the song for sure. I know it's okay.
हाँ.
So, but then here you go.
सारेगामापा पा 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 धमरे गार मेरे संग मेरे साजना. सारेगामापा पा 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 धमरे गार मेरे संग मेरे साजना. धमका तू मेरा मरे माँ मैं तेरी कलगार मेरे संग मेरे साजना.
And of course, this is the Pam Pam show right now, and we are talking about Tinseltown mommies. And शुरुआत तो किया है मानी जी से, उनसे पहले भी काफी सारे मॉमियाँ थी, लेकिन we come back 100% with more stuff in the next hour. ये गाना सुनिएगा, we're going to get into the break after the song, and we'll be back with you with more stuff on Jam. वैसे तो ये गाने में लता मंगेशकर जी की आवाज है, साथ में किशोर दा है, and लक्ष्मीकांत पैदा की म्यूजिक है.
छोड़ो ना भैया आज देखा से रंग दूंगी सैया मैं हूँ बाहर छोड़ो ना भैया आज देखा से रंग दूंगी सैया माथा तू काला मरे माँ मैं गोरी अरे ले मेरा रंग मेरे साजना
झमरे
बार मेरे संग मेरे साजना साजन मजा कब है जीने में सास हो मेरी तेरे सीने में साजन मजा कब है जीने में सास हो मेरी तेरे सीने में
हम मरते हैं मरे म जीते हैं अरे छू के तेरा रंग तेरे साजना
सारे गम पा 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 पा
पापा पापा झमरे गा रहे हैं संग तेरे साजना अपना भी हाल तेरे जैसा है क्या करें हम भी मौसम ऐसा है अपना भी हाल तेरे जैसा है क्या करें हम भी मौसम ऐसा है हम पागल से मरे फिरते हैं अरे लेके तेरा ढंग तेरे साजना सारे गम पा 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 पा
मरे
अरे गा रहे हैं संग तेरे साजना
सारे गम पा पा
पा पा पा पा हमरे
बार मेरे संग मेरे साजना
अरे गा रहे हैं संग तेरे साजना
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह एक आलतू और एक फालतू दोनों है मस्त इस तरह और जो पैम 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 में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था। हर एक दिन सुनते हैं यार शाम को छोड़ के अपने सारे काम धाम को। टीम है जुदा जुदा, गानों बातों में मजा, दोस्त है कि वारे वाह, बोलो 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 बोलो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों ही मस्त इस तरह। ओ एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों ही मस्त इस तरह। और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था। कहानियाँ सुना के आपको लुभाएंगे, पहेलियाँ सब आपकी बुझाएंगे। आलतू ज्ञान इस तरफ, कॉमन सेंस उस तरफ, छोटा जाए किस तरफ। बोलो 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 बोलो। एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। हाँ एक आलतू और एक फालतू, दोनों है मस्त इस तरह। और जो पैम पैम में हो रहा है, ये तो होना ही था।
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye.
Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khush Ahmadeen.
Salam alaikum.
Sat Sri Akal.
Nikandriki vandanam.
Jai Swami Narayan.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Janindra.
मैं इस्माइल भाई बंधुओं को बोलते ही याली मदद।
मोरली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजिए मतलब बोल के निसामुला।
हम आ गए हैं बंजा।
आपके प्यारे महिमा के तरह मैं सिर्फ अल्तुबा।
And of course myself फालतू रानी।
लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो टोटली मस्तानी रन बाय अल्तुबा एंड फालतू रानी। सी वर्ड दे फालतू रानी।
You repeated the same thing again.
So what?
Hi la.
Good things are worth to be repeated,
Okay.
right?
It is not called a rhyme when you take a line that is rhymed with before and put the same line again. It's not called a rhyme.
So what?
चल ठीक है। तेरे साथ argue करने से I'll agree with you.
It's called rhyme.
Hey! Altu Baba, stop!
Okay.
हाँ.
And of course, आज का theme है Tinsel Town Mummies. Wow, no. Mummies, as in mummies who actually have, graced the screen. Is it called silver screen? It is called silver screen, right?
Yeah. Yeah, silver screen, yes.
But what is the TV called?
I don't know. I don't remember.
I thought the small screen is TV and the silver screen is a big one.
Oh Lord. Hey, kya Shashi Tharoor, Deepa maar khayegi mein se. Don't start with that.
Shashi Tharoor, Deepa. Yes, you're right, Deepa. Shashi Tharoor. Shashi Faltrani.
Ha.
Tharoor. Tharoor nahi hai. Tharoor ki type nahi hai ye.
Altu Baba.
Ah.
Okay.
But she's a wannabe Shashi Tharoor though, definitely. She'll drop all kinds of words and euphemisms and everything everywhere. But I don't believe. I'm a very sacha insan.
I roll in
I
action
keep
for those
it-
of you who can't see what I'm doing.
हाँ देखा Shashi Tharoor आ गया इसका.
Hashtag I
आ
roll.
गया इसका Shashi Tharoor बाहर. Okay.
Oh.
ठीक है, Faltrani, the point I'm making, Faltrani, is we're talking about all the mommies who actually were able to fight the particular system of saying that, okay, once a particular heroine is married, she's out of the industry.
Nahi re, kya? It's not that. It's the fact that there's no market for her. More than out of the industry, there's no market for a woman
Correct.
once she's
As good-
married or once she has a baby.
That was the norm before. आजकल भी चल रहा है. Yeah, I can actually cite situations where, and of course, yeah, I like what Deepa talked about. If it's her choice to do what she wants, why not? More power to her.
Let me ask you, Altu Baba.
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of times you're culturally conditioned to make that choice.
Whoa.
Yeah. It's like,
There you go. She just threw a wrench at you.
Huh? Deepa, yeah, I wanted to at that time itself, but then we were running out of time, so I had to I decided to hold back that particular
But
thought.
many at times, but not all the times.
Almost every single, let me give you, in today's world, right? When a man says, it is still a woman's choice if she chooses to stay home with a child,
Uh-huh.
but is there another option for her? What is the other option, especially if you live in a nuclear family?
Yeah. Yeah, that is again,
Huh? What is your
Well,
other option? To
it
put your
comes-
child in daycare and then, oh my God, what sort of a mom are you that you're putting your child in a 9-month-old in a daycare?
When you talked about this, right, I was transported to one of the discussions I heard, one of those community things, right? Where they talked about the growth rate, the birth rate in the future is going to drop.
Okay, because women
That
are
is the
having babies later.
No, women are actually choosing not to have babies also.
Yeah. Kya? Mm-hmm. Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, the pandemic actually affected many things.
Oh.
One of the things also is the fact that women actually getting into, choosing to have a baby or not. So they're saying that there's going to be a void during the pandemic for babies.
Huh.
This is going to be a void in 2021. 2020 is going to be a point where not many people are giving birth to kids. Is what they're saying. Right? So in other words, they're seeing that over a period of time there's not going to be any birth and everything. But the point was why women chose not to. So women can choose if they want to do or not. But what we are talking about is not that. But you're talking about Tinseltown, jo heroines hai hamare.
Huh.
Yesteryear, or the most recent thing, or whatever, right? Now these people actually choosing not to give up and continue their passion of movies,
Okay.
right? Even after marriage.
What, you expecting me to say something else, Baba?
No, I'm not expecting to say anything further. You can do whatever you want to
तो
do.
आपको call
You
करना
have the
है
freedom to do what you want to do. Faltrani.
408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. Today we're talking about something that we just want to have a discussion with you. Let's hear what your thoughts are. कि जब एक औरत की शादी हो जाती है या उसके बच्चे हो जाते हैं तो is it automatically that her career, which specifically we're talking about a career, okay, does that come to a standstill? Does she need to put it on hold? And that goes to the back burner, as people say, for a certain amount of time. And the reason I also ask you this is because there are many people who also, let's say for some reason, child has some health challenges, or for that matter, some, as you see in a lot of movies, when it's with regard if the child has a disability or if the child has something, it's almost always 100% the woman who takes the onus of being with the child. Now, is that an expectation that we have of them? Would it be wrong if she continued to work and somebody else took the onus? Would it be wrong? We just want to talk.
Yeah, what would have happened if Amitabh Bachchan actually after Abhishek Bachchan was born chose to stay back home?
Yes, exactly. Whereas that topic doesn't even come into play when it's a man.
And do you know this why Jaya Badri had to stop acting after they got married?
Did she?
Didn't she?
No.
Oh, really?
Did she?
I thought she did
I thought Abhiman was after their marriage, right?
around the same time.
Yeah, but she didn't act. Oh, yeah, she didn't do main. One could say that they don't have takers. They don't have movie. Do filmmakers not offer them movies because they think there's no market for them because now they're taken?
Yeah.
Or is it the fact that the women choose to make
Wow,
that
no
decision?
takers because they're taken. Wow, very nice. So sweet.
So the number to call us at the studio, and we want to ask you if you've come across a situation in your life where you've, as a woman, if you're a lady who has a child and you took a break or you felt pressured by some reason whatsoever, like your own expectations of yourself as a mom, or the fact that familial expectations or societal expectations, कुछ भी हो, अगर आपने वो break लिया हो या आप continue kar rahe ho, you've not taken a break and you've been going and doing whatever you need to do regardless, undeterred, then come and call kariye. We'd love to hear from you. 408-912-2479. Once again, 408-912-2479. And let's talk about the Tinseltown mommies who have continued to shine on the silver screen but yet have not received that amount of adulation as they ought to have received. So one person that we started off with was Hema Malini, and we had a long conversation about her.
Yeah.
So this is the next actress that we're talking about, who has been fairly successful, as an actress, even after. Specifically after having kids and separating from her.
One of the people Deepa talked about who actually entered the industry supposedly when she was like 15 years old.
Yeah, supposedly.
Supposedly.
Yeah.
We'll say that. And of course, I want to give a shout out to Malik Abbas Saab, who's saying that Faltu, if you could be actually an absolute fantastic heroine if you had been or joined Bolly or Hollywood.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Seriously,
You're so sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abrar ji. अच्छे बोल के आपने उसका mood बना दिया अभी. Very good. So Faltu, I'm going to play a song of this particular, actress.
Huh?
Let's see if our listeners can actually identify who it is. The late Isabel Sulban Saab, who actually passed away last year, बलंजन उनकी आवाज में ये गाना सुनिएगा. And the movie, of course, मैं क्यों बताऊं, 85 में आई थी. 85 में आई थी, and ये भी actually she was pretty much on the top 85, even 90s तक थी वो actually. Well, no, actually she just 80s में आई उन्होंने. आरटी बर्मन का कॉम्पोजिशन बलंजन जावेद साहब का लिरिक्स.
अरे जान जब बोला तुझसे शादी करेगी मुझसे, कैसे कहा था ये बता.
अरे जानी जब बोला तुझसे शादी करेगी मुझसे, कैसे कहा था ये बता.
And of course, Bachchan, female voice, Asha Bhonsle, male voice, SPB. And number to call your button 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
सुन के वो बातें क्या तू चुप बोली थी, मम्मी से पूछूंगी क्या ऐसा बोली थी. मारिया 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 मारिया.
जानी जब बोला तुझसे शादी करेगी मुझसे, कैसे कहा था ये बता.
हमें बहुत सारे मैसेज आ रहे हैं फेसबुक पे, स्पेशली दीपा जी बोल रही है कि समथिंग, व्हाट इज इट दीपा? फाल्तू नहीं, बताओ क्या है बोल रहे हैं आप?
She says something about that holds true for many normal ladies, Faltu, but not entitled and privileged ladies who have already proven themselves in the industry. इसका मतलब क्या है?
I have no idea. Please, I want to get clarity on this. This is a very confusing statement which Deepa has done. Deepa, ये इस statement की वजह से आग लग सकती है कैंडल पे. कॉल कीजिएगा 408912279. क्या?
क्या बोलता है? कुछ भी आग लग सकती है कैंडल पे.
हाँ.
उसका मतलब क्या है?
सेफ्टी फर्स्ट यार. तुम्हें सही में वो आग लग सकती है कहीं जाएगी सभी जगह पे, इम्पॉसिबल. कैंडल पे इज बेटर बिकॉज इट गिव रोशनी टू एवरीबॉडी. एंड नंबर टू कॉल 40891222479. वाह दीपा जी कभी एक परमिशन दे दिया हमारे मीनाक्षी जी को कॉल करने के लिए. तो मीनाक्षी जी ओ फील एम्पावर्ड इन कॉलर्स.
जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करेगा बंजान 40891222479. आपको इस नंबर पे कॉल करना है और हमें जल्दी जल्दी बताना है कि आप क्या कहते हो with regard to maternity or family life and how it changes a person's career path. क्योंकि आदमी लोगों के साथ ऐसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है. आई थिंक आई डोंट थिंक वंस दे स्टार्ट अ फैमिली अ मैन इज नॉट थिंकिंग कि ओ मुझे फैमिली पे फोकस करना है इसलिए काम छोड़ दूं.
You can't say that, right? There are some people who do that.
Really? How many people have actually quit their job or have the thought has even occurred to them फैमिली पे फोकस करना, बच्चा हो गया तो मुझे इस पे फोकस करना है तो मैं काम
काफी सारे होंगे यहाँ पे. अगर आपने ऐसे किया तो कॉल कीजिएगा ताकि इसकी गलत फहमी को हम दूर कर सकते हैं. नमस्कार, आपका हर्ष होता है पैम पैम में. Who's this? Hello.
Hi, Pam Pam.
Very good. कैसे हैं आप?
What was that?
कैसा है हमारा असलम पाशा?
असलम पाशा
मतलब लायन कब
हाँ.
वो टर्किश में है रे असलम पाशा.
I didn't know that. नार्निया की बात कर रही है. नार्निया की बात कर रही है.
नार्निया नहीं, मैं तसम.
लेकिन हमारा शेरू कैसा है?
हाँ कैसा है?
ओए शेरू तो शेर आया शेर. आजकल उसको वो गाना सिखाने, शेर आया शेर.
ओए होए होए भाग आई शेर भाग.
और सब लोग ऐसे अपॉल हो जाते हैं ना कि ये अपनी बच्ची को कैसे सिखा सकती है ये गाना.
Hello, don't listen to what they say. Just go ahead and teach him. He'll do it.
And I'm like, this is his nursery rhyme. शेर आया शेर.
Exactly. Bag. I share. Yeah.
That's a nice song actually.
Of course, Father. It's a
Yeah.
nice song. That's why I'm asking her to teach it to the Shero.
हाँ.
Sheru. We call him Sheru now. We call him Sheru now.
शेरू to the शेरू.
Shero to the Sheru. Yes, very good. Like anything, come on. आज का Tinsel Town Mommies and एक खतरनाक ये जो है स्टेटमेंट डाल दिया हमारे फालतू रानी ने. तो आपके आज के ऊपर क्या राय है?
हाँ जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करो. बताओ
कॉल कर दिया बाद में.
बोलो सॉरी माय बैड.
स्टेटमेंट क्या है?
गलती
स्टेटमेंट.
हाँ स्टेटमेंट क्या रिमाइंड करो प्लीज.
अरे यार हमने पूछा कि does mommyhood completely alter obviously world changes but then ये जो career path है कैसे alter हो जाता है, होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, आपका क्या राय है? there's no right or wrong answer. हम लोग बस ऐसे पूछ रहे हैं ताकि थोड़ा आपके दिमाग को खुरे दें.
Yes. आपका राय बोलो, हम फाड़ बना देंगे उसका.
Exactly.
Yes. Go ahead.
I wonder what would happen if staying at home and with kids or without kids, whatever it is, staying at home and taking care of the house was a paid job, right? Well, how would that change? I mean, think about it. How would society, the economy, everything change? I bet you my money is on the fact that I think men will start staying at home. They'll be like, पैसे मिल रहे हैं. Why not I learn taking care of the house and taking care of kids? क्यों नहीं, right?
सच्ची में यार अदिति तुदा सही में आके यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या दिखाने के लिए आई हो यार? What is this? Now all the buys in Mumbai are going to strike against you. When you go back to Mumbai, they're not going to come and work with you. Yeah.
That's true.
There'll be buy strike.
जो buy करती है ना वो कोई
Are you
नहीं कर
kidding?
सकता है.
Are you
इसलिए buy से कभी भी पंगा नहीं लेने का.
Exactly. Buy से कभी पंगा नहीं लेने का. Exactly. Hey, but yeah, good point. Yeah, I was just thinking about it. Actually, you're right. I think men will start staying at home.
हाँ.
I think it's all about the economics of it, right? Like economic value of work. If you have no economic value to what you do at home, everyone loves to praise the woman's role in the house and she can make or break the home and all this crap, right? Amazing, but it's not paid. So, at the end of the day, there is this power dynamic where the women gets the shorter end of the stick. But if we change that and start making it a paid I really wonder whether we'll have gender dynamic. Like we'll never have differentiation anymore. It'll all be equal playing field.
But you're saying that money is important then. You're saying that money is where you actually equate all this stuff.
No, I did not say money. They're completely different ones.
So
I don't think
Get
women
paid
go out
with what?
to work just for money. It
Get
is
paid with
has
what?
a lot to do with a lot of other things. That is a different topic.
Yeah, but
But-
get paid with what? Get paid by what? With what? Jappies, puppies, I don't know.
you
अरे बाबा economic value तो पैसा ही होता है.
Ah,
But
exactly.
To,
Why?
To
Why?
take my point and to equate it with the fact that money is the only thing, there are two completely different things. If you want to talk about why women and men go out to work, it's not just money. It's job satisfaction, a sense of self-esteem. I can go on. That list is it doesn't end, right?
I know, Ma's not
But
very
that's
happy
not
with
the
you.
point. The point is completely different. Okay, don't get me all into this topic. Okay, नहीं तो
नहीं, seriously, we need to know, yeah.
Come on, hey, this is where you actually put the arg, a little bit of kerosene डाल के घी डाल
केरोसिन नहीं, घी डालेगा. केरोसिन क्या?
क्या मैं गरीब
Yes,
इंसान हूँ
sir.
यार, गरीब इंसान के पास केरोसिन मिलता है.
क्यों अल्टो मुंबई सागा देखा ना एरोप्लेन फ्यूल डाल.
Aeroplane fuel. Don't, Aditi, by the way, separate topic. Don't watch Mumbai Saga, please.
No, it's not so bad. It's okay, but it's
Which one? Which one?
Bundle movie.
Mumbai
Rohit
Saga.
Shetty will go.
which one?
Rohit Shetty will give up movie making.
Mumbai Saga. It's Rohit Shetty's movie.
No, it's not. But he'll give up afterwards. After
Oh,
seeing
right,
this.
that's right.
This is like Rohit
Oh my
Shetty's
God.
bap actually.
Yeah.
By the way, you mentioned Bombay Begums and it's amazing.
Oh, you like
Like I
it?
did not expect.
You
I
don't
mean,
like
I won't like amazing is a very good like. It's not bad actually. It's not a bad movie at all.
I haven't.
it. Oh, it's a movie or is it a series?
It's a series, yeah. I haven't watched the whole thing. I've
हाँ
come to
series
like
में तो वही होता है ना आजकल elongated movie short series.
yeah. I mean, and I've come. The only thing I take offense, but that's a different show altogether.
I take offense.
Is that whole representation of the emancipated woman and the rebellious women as, or the woman who stands up for herself as somebody who is a cigarette toting. Almost every single person that they show in that is that. I don't know what the fixation with cigarettes and
Well,
women.
that's you gotta actually blame the guy called Edward Bernays for it actually.
Well,
He was the person who actually came with the fact that the phallic symbol has got to be the cigarette.
yeah, but then why shouldn't?
Yeah, he said that. No, he was the person,
ये कहाँ
seriously.
से उठाया?
नहीं सच्ची में देखो go check it
There's
out.
an entire theory around the phallic symbol
True.
and how advertising has used it.
Exactly
To
my
their
point.
advantage.
And that's what they're doing over here also, right? They're trying to prove like as though that's what the money is backed by the tobacco industry.
It's
over
actually a
there.
very good point. Yeah, that's true, I
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah.
So why do you think they want to actually have who's sponsoring all these series, by the way, Netflix and all?
I don't know.
Yeah, many people who are not able to spend money otherwise, right?
Oh.
Yeah. So they do it like a subliminal advertising, it's like packaged like a sandwich.
कुछ भी बोलेगा आल्टो बाबा.
A,
Seriously.
B,
I
C, T
love
है.
this show because there's so many conspiracy theories now. मतलब
Oh, yes.
doesn't matter if it's true or not. इतना मजा आता है ना सुनने.
अरे, that is a beauty thing about
अरे
it.
सोचने में मजबूर करता है ना इंसान को.
Yeah.
Right? It makes you think कि
ऐसा भी होता है.
हाँ ऐसा
भी
हो सकता है भाई.
Yeah.
या अरे कलयुग है कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Hey, this is a different perspective, yeah. When you see
कलयुग पे डालने का सब कुछ.
हाँ, Kalyug, exactly. So blame it on Kalyug and say this is what's going to happen. And the pralay aa jayega. In like 100, 200 years when you're not alive, will come. Yeah, good. Hey, but did you get the answer from Aditi by any chance?
तो क्या on the mic? अच्छा आपने.
My bad.
अच्छा Aditi, so you're saying that okay. Does it change?
I
Does
didn't
it-
answer your question,
You didn't
but
answer.
I just kind of threw a wrench in there. I'm like, what if it was paid? Then what would have happened?
Yeah, so it is not paid given the current scenario where it is not a paid situation. And who would pay?
Yeah,
Who would pay?
government.
Yeah.
वो तो
Socialistic
अलग
government.
बात है ना कि then there are countries that are actually considering this. There are bills in the parliament where they want house work to be paid,
Yes.
and it is happening in many European nations where they are considering it. God knows it will ever pass or not.
I'm moving
But-
to Europe.
Yeah. It may pass. You never know. You never know. There are some countries which are like amazing. Like which was that place that Donald Trump said we should get people from that country over
Oh,
here.
really?
Yeah,
He
yeah.
said
Remember
that?
some total white country. I forgot what it was.
Bring them over here, we'll go there, no? Replace it.
No. He said we'll bring
Exchange
them.
offer.
During that thing where he made that beep hole countries,
Uh-huh.
the remark he
Oh,
made.
you're probably talking about Austria.
Maybe.
Huh?
I think
Ah,
it's
no.
about Australia.
That's where Schwarzenegger's from, right? Austria. No? I will be back.
Yeah.
Schwarzenegger is in one of those Eastern Bloc,
Yeah.
one of those former Russian countries. But anyway, so what was the question?
Good
Eh!
one. You reminded me of my school days.
अभी बोल
Teacher asked me a question like, yes, what did you repeat the
अभी
question? please?
जल्दी बोलने का ना
क्या जल्दी बोल-
मैंने बोला कि आजकल के ज़माने में ऐसा होता है कि जनरली ओके टिंसल टाउन का ले लो राइट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्ट्रेसेस आर देयर life goes on the back burner so to speak so I'm surprised like see Anushka Sharma after she got married one movie
No,
maybe once in 2
nothing.
years she did NH10 and all what you talking
But after the baby,
Yeah,
no.
Anushka Sharma का कैसे example use कर सकते हैं? Who knows? Like she became a producer after that. She's milking money. Like
True. No,
why
no,
would
no.
she want to act?
But she had to
No, no.
produce her movies to
No,
act.
no, that's what I'm saying. She's just had a baby. Is she going to continue acting? I mean, and is she going to be as successful? Is the question. But we're asking, why does it happen that a lot of people have kind of dropped off the radar the moment they go the mommy route, or the moment they go
Because
the
they're not. It's because unfortunately, most people it's not just in India. It's even in Hollywood. Like the impression of woman and most of the roles come from the physical attributes, and there is a assumption. Actually, it's not an assumption. It's mostly true that after having a baby, you're not going to be as attractive, and that is why, because of these social constructs and the way we think, the industry also is following that same path, right?
Hey,
yes.
no, are you propagating something which is it's not true?
What, Ray?
Just
How do you say this? Is it like a who told you this? Is there research on that saying that you not be attractive after baby is born?
Because
what?
Yeah, you said that people think that once somebody's after baby is born, they're not really attractive.
look at the Demi Moores. Look at the
Exactly.
There
Kareena
is a
Kapoor's.
difference between. I'm saying that is the perception. Whether it is true or not is a different issue.
Ah.
And that is a perception. That is why these roles need neither do they create. Anyway, there are versatile roles don't exist. Right? It's always a hero or whatever hero or an actress role. So in that very limited confines of role, they want and I think you already said that इतने सारे लोग हैं वैसे भी fight कर रहे हैं industry में. So it's like okay, survival of the fittest. And is a new mom going to really fight that? What's going to be her priority? And it's not even about. I mean, most regular people के साथ होता है. Why like actresses are even more competitive.
Yeah, she's actually bringing a point very similar to what Deepa made, right? In terms of, when they come back to, let's say, go for maternity leave, 1 year, 2 years, they go and come back also, right? They got to get back to shape. And the sad part is the roles are demanding that. So then there's no innovation with
Even if
stories.
they get back to shape, the society won't accept them. Man, that is the problem.
But
People's
who's the
perceptions are
society?
fixed.
Who's society? It is you and I. So what do you think? I'll accept it.
that's
Are
why
you-
we're having this conversation.
Yeah.
Are you asking my personal opinion?
Yeah,
or are you
personal
asking
opinion.
What phenomenon that
अरे
exists?
आपका पर्सनल ओपिनियन बताओ ना. We are not bothered by phenomenon. Phenomenon तो छोड़ दीजिएगा.
Oh, obviously, I obviously think that first of all there should be more variety in roles, and I
Correct.
obviously think that that women should come back regardless of whatever. I mean, it's up to them.
Yes.
It should be independent choice.
Yes.
If you want to come back the next day of giving birth, or you want to come back after a year, doesn't matter.
Exactly.
But do you have? The point is that end of the day, the woman doesn't have social support to do that, right? Forget about her own feelings. Own feelings is one thing, right? You may yourself you may not want to go back, right? That's a different thing. But does she have the social support for her to come back to work? I mean, forget actresses. Talk about daily. You and me,
Yeah.
people like us, like
Yeah,
we want to
exactly.
get back to work in the measly maternity leave that they have in the US, which is a joke.
Yeah.
After that, you go back to work and it's like you're struggling between work and home, and you're crying and you're like, oh my God, how am I supposed to? And you go on a guilt trip and you're like, my kid is not getting attention I want to give my kid. But then, great, you can sit and cry, but end of the day, who's going to pick up the slack? If you have a great husband, probably he will. If he doesn't,
Yeah.
if he's not, he will not. And end of the day, it comes on you. It's not like in India you have a joint family system or something like that. Even in India, nuclear families, they suffer for this. And end of the day, I won't say all the time the woman has to make the decision, but most of the time she does have to to call it, right? You're putting the cards down, or you're still going to play the game. So, I mean, it's not only about the woman. The onus to me is on the society, where are you building the social construct, the support system for the woman, so that she can confidently go back to work and not have to worry about her child not having the kind of care that she would have given, right? Even if you cannot provide that support, then the conversation is moot over there.
Well, actually, that's why we have the conversation over here on air.
Yes.
Because we do know our show is listened to by many people out here, even
Yeah.
Bollywood for the matter.
Arey, even Google, Facebook, everywhere.
Yeah, come on, we need to change that. Yeah.
Apple, which desperately needs to listen to this.
I know, Apple.
Yeah.
Yes. Tim Cook, I hope you're listening right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is actually.
Yeah.
He
Yeah.
told once, I listened to Indian radio. He did. Yeah, he did. That pretty interview, go look it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Google Tim Cook and Radio D Hotties, you'll find something
And be
there.
careful, somebody might forward this podcast to him or this particular thing.
We don't have podcast. But the thing is, we're going to actually post it over there. We're going to tag Tim Cook on this. Tim, you're listening, you can just come on the show, we can talk about it. We have a discussion on this one.
Yeah.
Very true.
No, but I was going to say ding, 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 ding at one point because
Yes.
because
Brownie points.
that is absolutely right. The fact that women put themselves through it, I wonder how many men go through that mental or emotional trauma that, oh my God, if I leave my child in a daycare, what's going to happen and stuff like that. You know, I wonder how many of them think of that and having to make a
But
choice.
to be fair, many do. Many of the, I think, younger generation folks do. They do think. I'm continuously amazed at the early 20s and the late 20-year-old Indian
the
men
trend-
that I'm meeting.
Yeah, the trend is now changing.
Yeah.
But it's not all the way there.
Yeah, for the
you know.
past 12 years, we actually are trying to see that everybody changes that. What? Exactly, right? For the
That's
past 12
true.
years, we've been actually working meticulously on this every day, talking about this kind of topics and bringing awareness to people. So everybody actually, going forward, at least we'll have a better life.
Well, more than awareness, I think we're doing a lot of ungli. So people.
That's true. Hey, without the ugly, you can't do ghee out.
Yeah.
The ghee should come out only with ugly. Yeah, with teddy ungli also, by the way.
Yeah.
Hey, but Aditi, thank you so much. Yeah. You know, that's why we want to actually talk to you guys. When you talk, right, when you talk with your opinion is when actually people listen to it.
Yeah.
Right, you know, why we don't want bookish answers like, oh, this is that phenomenon. No, apna khud ka batao, because that's what we value most.
Yeah.
Because there are like you, there are multiple people out there. Right? Yeah, and of course, today Sheru's not there, but Sheru will definitely say, agree with you. Wow. he'll
Yeah.
say. All the
So
Baba's
that's all.
awesome.
I was like, when I thought Shanti hai, so baat kar leti hu.
Very good.
Very good.
Very
But
good.
even when he's
Okay.
there, even when he's there, we like to listen to it.
Yeah.
He talks to me, not you guys. You
Yeah.
ladies can talk whatever you want to
Oh.
talk. But we have the baby
Oh my
topic.
God! Did you actually draw that distinction right now that this is a ladies' topic?
No, I said you ladies can talk whatever you
Oh,
talk.
I-
I didn't say, I said you ladies can talk whatever you want, but me and the kid will talk like, we have our own conversation going parallelly.
Thank you so much, Aditi, for chiming in, and of course, put your your thoughts down there on our Facebook page. Really would appreciate it.
Yeah.
Link though, please. Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care.
Bye.
Hello, Pam K.
Pam Pam.
Pam.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. आप कैसे हो? बहुत दिनों के बाद.
Yes, बहुत दिनों के बाद.
हाँ.
चलो बुलावा आया है type. It was a
Tanushri
Okay, Bulava.
Samantha.
I know exactly. After
Yeah.
a long time,
Yeah.
and then she out of totally disappeared for 6 months.
Yeah.
Like
No, I
hiatus.
never disappeared. I'm always there in work.
She's like, once she will call, and then 3 months later, hello, I'm here, Papa.
No, she's like, little you take give a lollipop to baby, take it away.
Huh.
We are the babies.
Yeah.
She call us one lollipop,
Oh my
take it away. It's
God.
like, then after we settle down, she come back give one more lollipop, just kind of thing. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
But good to hear your voice.
भगवान,
Yes.
कितना वो image है lollipop.
Yeah. Have you tried to give a lollipop to baby, pull it away? That's how we feel when you hang up on us. But anyway, good. आज का topic, Tanushri ji, your input is needed.
Okay.
Bolo.
Faltoni had a statement which is very, exploitative statement.
Abe.
Yeah.
Bol da. Exploitive taste statement.
Exploratory statement.
Huh.
Total nice, controversial statement.
You heard, na, Tanushri ji, you're hearing what the conversation is about, right?
She's calling because you posted on WhatsApp, that's all.
What? No.
Ask her, she'll tell you that.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, she
What? What? No.
No for the first part. And I'm Yaya for Kavita is going to say something.
Oh, okay.
No, that she didn't listen to the show. Yeah, because you posted on WhatsApp.
No.
That's what she's saying, dude.
No, she's saying for me to tell her what the theme is.
Yeah.
Hey, well, she knows what the theme is. Oh!
Yes, of course I know, and
हाँ.
it's a very amazing. I mean, Tuesday है ना, terrific. क्या नाम? इतना creative names होते हैं. So
Yeah, what is so funny, Aldo Baba?
I told you. It's Tinseltown movies.
She knows, Ray. What? Stop
She
it.
said terrific something Tuesday, she
She
said.
said it is terrific
I
topic.
always say have a terrific Tuesday to everybody. I said it's a terrific theme.
Ah,
So always think of
good save.
good and creative themes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thanks.
Tinseltown mommies, my goodness.
Yes. Hey, but we're actually talking about the fact that how our Indian cinema, or for the matter, any industry for the matter, right? After a particular, somebody, a lady gets a baby, suddenly everything changes for them, of course. But even the fact of getting back into the, the workforce, like for instance, in Tinseltown, mein kya hota hai? Anyway, the lifespan of a particular heroine is maximum around 8 to 9 years in the industry, on-screen lifespan tak baat kar raha hu. And after they get married, somehow it totally, fades away. Interest in them fades away. And if they get a baby, then forget about it. They'll not, difficult for them to make a comeback also. What do you think about that?
I think it's true to a large extent. Some of them have been, and thankfully now more than previously, they have changed that. I mean, I think Kareena Kapoor is one of them. Kajol is one of them.
Hey, but I don't
think,
think I don't think they're made to. They were able to come back with the same force.
Yeah.
And probably I'll say it again. I still feel that the stories which are being made are not doing justice for them, Falguni. That's what I feel.
No, I think.
I think, yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was saying that Kareena Kapoor has kind of held her own because the roles that she's done, Ki and Ka, she did that, what is that, Good News, Diljit Dosanjh ka wo movie aaya tha na, Udta Punjab. She's done a few different roles, and where she has kind of, sort of held
It's an
her.
Angrezi medium, yeah.
Correct. Angrezi medium, she's there now, right? But then again, see, she's a second. She's
No,
actually.
she's a lead, man, whether you like it or not. Hey, come on, it's
you
not.
want to give a label that way as lead for her. Fine, okay. I understand.
She is a leading lady in all these movies, right? I didn't talk about.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
She is.
Well,
and I
prominent
think
role, yeah.
the movies, I mean, on a general basis, bhi dekha jaye, Bollywood movies have changed also. Now, you can't say this is an art movie and that's why she's getting it. Or this is not a mainstream movie. The mainstream movies, the stories in the mainstream movies have changed. There is a lot of flavor. So you can't really say that she's not doing commercial movies. She is. And, the other part was that when they become mothers, they only used to get a particular either character, or type of roles, or they would be, they would have to do some independent films. That's not true anymore. The
That's
Bollywood mainstream movies are taking on, different subjects. The storylines are very diverse, and so in that, if we keep that in mind, then she is the lead and she is doing many movies. She has been able to hold her own.
So it's a good thing. You're saying it's going
Things
towards.
are changing
It's
now.
moving towards a positive thing then. Good. It's still got a lot of movement to be done. Still a lot of stuff. I still think that stories are not very interesting nowadays, though.
Yes and no.
Much on this,
Yeah.
Yeah. You talked
But
about that.
let's talk about real life. What is your take, Tanushree? In real life, in today's society, when I say in real life, I'm talking about the common man, not the entitled few or the glamorous few. Do you think that the conversation that we have around maternity and around family life and how career becomes an option at that point? Yeah. So do you want to share your wisdom on that particular thing?
Yes.
I'm not sure if I can call it wisdom, but I have some experience, and I'm lucky that I have seen both sides of the coin. I have some very strong women in my life, and I am talking to one right now.
Oh, thank you.
Who actually have...
Oh, sorry.
Two
who
lady, eh?
actually have, forced me. I mean, I very honestly, I was not a very
strong, independent thinker. I mean, I had my thoughts, but I would not really be able to decide which side am I on. But I know that I was more of a conservative than not. But I was forced to rethink. You know, my own sister-in-law, she's a career woman. She has 2 boys, and that was she has proven that was never an option, kind of a thought in her mind. And I have seen my mother-in-law, who definitely doesn't see that. But of course, I mean, that is complicated. You can't really say that it's not black and white. It's a gray area. But I was forced to rethink, and I myself right now, what I understand is it's a very personal thing. You have to understand what you're getting into. If you want to really work, you have to know how to handle. And I know I'm saying this because you have to balance home life. I'm not saying it because I do everything for my daughters, or I know I have to do certain things. Just because you're a career woman, it doesn't mean that you will expect the husband to do everything from now on. It's impractical. It just creates a lot of friction. It creates a lot of disbalance, I think. So I think the expectations have to be set right for yourself. What do you want from life, from your career? Is it worth sacrificing certain things? And how will you balance your career? And of course, there has to be a great understanding between your home partner, or your family, basically.
So, Tanushiji, you listen to your talk right now. I'm reminded of a particular interview with Indra Nui. She said the same thing. She said it's about the balance.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't mean, and like how you said, right? Somebody has to pick up that slack. Like even previously Aditi talked, right? But it's a teamwork which has to work for that. Very good. Very nice.
But also what Tanushree is saying is that be prepared to pick up the slack, because culturally, your condition and society is conditioned in such a way that your spouse it never is expected to pick up the slack.
Yeah, but that's the case. But
I think I also said, because I will not expect him to pick up every slack.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah.
You have to be okay with certain things, because I mean, I have understood that it's a kind of, you cannot expect other people to either change the way they do things, and it's not going to happen. If you want certain things for your daughters and you think that's the way to do it, you have to be ready to make it happen. You may ask someone to do it for you, but don't take it for granted that your husband, now that you're working, you can't really, just assume things. You
Very
have
true.
to be ready to. You have to, prepare. I think that's the thing I have learned.
Yeah,
It's much easier to. Yeah.
No,
Sorry,
it's good.
say that.
I think I totally get what you are saying. And Faltani, to point what Tanushji is saying, right? Pretty much the same rings very, very much with the interview that I heard of Indra Nui, the PepsiCo CEO, right? She said the same thing. It's like if you can't expect something from somebody. The moment you expect something, you're putting the owner's control on them.
Yeah.
You need to take the control on your thing and say, okay, I got to be responsible to do what I got to do. And that's one thing great about the fact that women actually do it.
Hang on. So I completely get that, but I'm just going to throw a tiny little wrench in there.
Very good.
And I'm going to ask you, why is it that a woman should think about the fact that she's supposed to, when she goes out to work, that she's making the choice to go to work, that she's also supposed to do all this extra thing, that she should be prepared to do this also at home? Why is it that
Who's shooting on her?
We are shooting on ourselves.
That's what you should stop.
Why?
Right?
What do you mean? It's very easy to say that's what you should stop, but
Wow,
that is
if I
what
say
society...
anything, it'll be like, oh, you're not a woman, you don't talk about it.
No, I'm just saying...
Great, wonderful. I built the conversation and you put
I'm
it back
just
on.
asking men to think about this. When you and women to think about this.
But I think if I had a son, I would start now.
Yeah.
But since since that son that I'm living with is not, it's not, that the seed was not there. So, it'll be impractical to, change everything in one chutki, So thoda karke, and
Yeah.
that understanding, and I have to be okay with a dirty house, or I have to be okay with
True.
kapde, or whatever. But he helps a lot, and
Yeah.
that is the understanding that comes with an honest, open talk.
Yeah.
And I remember Indra Nui actually saying, she picks up the phone and checks in, work ho
Yeah.
gaya karke, I remember that talk.
Yeah.
And I really, it kind of, makes sense.
Yeah.
Actually, women can multitask. That is the biggest advantage that a woman has, and a disadvantage in a way, because then we just end up just doing it,
Yeah.
because we just, we have a list of everything that needs to be done, and we don't forget. So that's the thing that, ye hua ki nahi, we have, if it's on our minds, that we might as well check on it, something like that. I mean, it's of course, again, not black and white, lots of gray.
You're
Everybody's
right.
different.
You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. And I just have a theory that we, for some reason, we subject ourselves to a lot more, and I would attribute that reason to eons of cultural conditioning about what we
yes,
are expected to
yes.
be. So that's the I think what would we say? We guilt trip ourselves
Let's
into
change that, Fatwani.
multitasking.
Let's change that, Fatwani, going forward.
Drop of a hat.
Yeah, in this particular time, we start changing that, Fatwani.
Yeah.
No more guilt tripping.
No more guilt tripping.
Don't shoot on yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
या बिंदास करने का जो भी करने का जाके काम
हाँ.
करेगा बिंदास जाके काम करेगा
And
कोई सोचने का नहीं
Anybody says something, tell Alto Fatwani to do that.
हाँ.
Simple. I will take full blame.
हाँ तो उनके घर की सफाई करनी हो तो हम जाएंगे क्या
Hey, don't worry, organize कर लेंगे यार, don't worry about it. अरे organize कर लेंगे, हमारे पास Beto है, Beto will go there and do it.
हाँ
We know somebody who comes and does our stuff for here in the office. He'll be happy to expand his business.
yeah
So very good. Hey, Tanushi ji, thank you so much for calling us. आपके लिए एक special गाना लगाने वाला हूँ, okay?
अरे thank you
Adi,
so much
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Big hug to both of you. Thank
thank
you so
you
much.
same to you thank you
हेलो नमस्कार पैम पैम में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है दिस इज द टिंसल टाउन मॉमीज टॉक हु इज दिस
Thank you so much. Big hug to both of you.
थोड़ा रेडियो का वॉल्यूम कम कर दो ना डार्लिंग कौन है
This is the Tinsel Town Mommy's Talk. Who's this?
wow that sounds so good
That's me. That is you. Yeah, hello, hi, who's this? Pam Pam?
Hello?
Hi, reduce the volume in the background, please.
please turn off the radio in the background
Okay, you gotta reduce the volume in the background, otherwise we hear a feedback and you also can't hear us very clearly. Who's this? Hi.
you have to turn off the radio please in the background
Thank you. Who's this? Pam Pam?
Hello, Pam Pam, this is Falguni.
Falguni ji.
फाल्गुनी जी
Wow, sir.
Oh my God, कब से फोन पकड़ के बैठी हूँ कितना इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है. I'm pretty sure all our bandus want to really call you and tell their opinion. Such an interesting and very thoughtful subject.
थैंक यू
तब बोले आपसे सुनना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है बिकॉज वी नो सर्टेन थिंग्स अबाउट यू एंड आई वांट यू टू शेयर
या
आपकी टिप्पणी क्या है इसके ऊपर
नहीं मेरी भी वही है like I agree Tanushri ji our culture basically when you are career woman you have like work so hard to get a nice degree and you work hard to get a good job and when you are career women still you have lots of more responsibilities like for home or to raise up kids and particularly in India. US is a totally different thing but I think that you have to compromise so many your personal things. When you are career woman and also you have to handle the family members, kids, cooking. It is for me, I would tell that it's really very hard. But then you don't compromise your career or your job because you work hard to get that things.
I'll tell you one thing. When you talk about culture, right? Yes, going out and working was not in the culture, right? But why do you expect them to come back and do work at home also?
Because all the family member expects that thing. If you don't come home and don't cook, then your family will be, they won't able to eat anything. You have to. It's like your mind is made up the way that even you don't think about yourself. You come home and then you start cooking for the family. You think, okay, what they will. It's like from the childhood we see that way. Even try to change yourself, it is very hard.
right
But now in here you try like as Tanushri ji say, like
Right, I'm talking to the one like, Faltu Rani, who is always with lots of responses, always smiling face and always cheer up everyone. It's not easy. As human, I can understand it's not easy. How much going inside, with lots of other thoughts and thoughts, be happy. You have sincerely worked at job, jobs are challenging. It is very hard. That's why I was holding this one for a long time. I really want to talk about it.
Oh, that's wonderful. Falguni ji, thank you so much for sharing that. I think it's exceptionally important because you are a career woman. You are also, we've seen you're a mom, you're a grandmom, you're also a daughter-in-law, and you do everything. I mean, I was really hoping that you will call in on this particular show because it's multi-generational here, right? That we're hearing different perspectives. Lekin, it's not only with India that that this expectation is placed on women. Here also in the United States,
Here also, because that we had already that mentality over here. We are here. That's the expectation from the woman. Doesn't matter how bright she is in her career. They have to do all this household job. There is no option about that.
So, do you think that conversation has to change? Do you think your daughter will change that conversation? Do you think your granddaughter will change that conversation?
Sure. I'm pretty sure my daughter will change this thing. My daughter will, because sometimes when my mother-in-law asks her that you don't know how to cook, what you do, they say, I will make him to cook. Really she says that.
I used to say that too.
Yeah, she will change for sure. My granddaughter and my daughter will
Hey, guess what?
I am hoping, I wish that she will change that.
Guess what?
I never put in her mind that because you are a woman and your career is important, but don't think about anything, housework.
So, Falguni ji, guess what? My mom taught me how to cook. Told me don't rely on anybody else. You got to do what you got to do. That's what important.
Right,
Anyways.
right. Help yourself. No one help you. You have to help yourself.
Yeah. Hey, but it's wonderful. Thank you so much, Falguni ji. Aapka input bhi both. It's in fact, I think it's like how I'm getting a lot of comments on Facebook. Aditi is right. It is multi-generational, like Falguni talked about.
Oh.
And yes, it's Deepa ji, it's not easy, but yes, it's good to have a conversation about this. That's what the Pam Pam show brings to you guys.
Right.
A conversation on air. Tinsel
Ki-
Town mummies ke bare mein.
Haan.
Start
Very
off
much
with-
Faltu Rani and Altu Baba for bringing up this topic. So, lots of, I am pretty sure lots of, everyone would like this topic. I don't know about men, but all of the men.
Don't worry, I'll talk about all men. Men also like it. but thank you so much, Falguni ji, for calling in. And yes, next time we'll get Deepak ji's rai afterwards.
Yeah, we should.
Not right now.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling in. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening, Falguni ji.
Wonderful, wonderful topic, Banjan. Aaj tha Tinsel Town mommies, talking about all the mommies of Tinsel Town who actually right now sometimes I feel they're not given a proper chance, Falguni. You might say Kareena Kapoor, you might say she actually is, starred in those movies, but I still feel that is not giving justice to the quality of work she can provide.
Exactly. And I totally get where you're saying that those roles are not being offered. And Banjan, I will tell you this. Our Mahima ji actually was an actress herself and one exceptionally talented, exceptionally beautiful. But because she was a mom, right? The immediate notion, even though she is 20-30 years younger than the hero or younger than the heroine, the heroine role which originally would have been offered to her, the moment they come to know, immediately they shift it to a character artist or a mother's role or a sister's role, even though the person doesn't look the particular thing. This is something that she would talk about, and she would say that you don't have to make it a compromise. It is not a compromise. Because at the end of the day, if there is communication, as one who was it who pointed out? I think it was it Tanushree? I think all the women who called in today said that as long as there's communication between the spouses about the fact that both of them deserve to have the respect and dignity for whatever they're going to do, right? And that, you don't hold one person accountable. Both of you are equally accountable for raising the kids or, having a successful home. I mean, every family is dysfunctional, yeah. Let's face it. Every family is.
Yeah, it is dysfunctional.
Yeah, it is dysfunctional family. It is not
DHIS.
Yeah, so it is. It really boils down to how you work in tandem with to make sure that both of you feel fulfilled and both of you feel successful. And I think that's something that our Mahima ji used to always talk about. She would always say that if you have to pursue a career, just because you had a baby doesn't mean that you have to put your career on hold. Just because never make that a crutch and never guilt trip yourself.
Yeah.
Right? And like Indra Nooyi said, if you're a CEO at work doesn't mean that you're a CEO at home.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It doesn't, it's the same way. Yeah, wo rope nahi jhaad sakte, lekin it's a question of working in together.
Yeah, and of course, Banjan, talking about how women are limited, this particular actress, I
Yeah.
really felt was not given a time to act, because when she got married with Rishi Kapoor, she was asked to stop acting, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
इसी के साथ Banjan, we're going to be saying good night, Shabba Khair.
Kal milenge fir se at 9 a.m. in the morning with a fun-formational show called Good Morning Bay. Don't forget to tune in right here on Radio Day Hotties on our app, on your in your Teslas, or on 1310 a.m. and 92.9 FM in the San Francisco Bay Area. Good night, Shabba Khair,
And a
a
pyar
pyar bhara.
bhara.
Mwah.